So, hello and namaste from Mumbai. I'm Dr. Gaurang, and I'm going to talk to you about another of very important books that we normally don't talk so much about. We're going to talk about the first materia medica that talks about keynotes of the materia medica by Guernsey. Yeah. Dr. Guernsey was the reason why keynotes came into being. And this is quite a fascinating materia medica. And not because, just because I'm talking about it today, but Guernsey is one of the most lesser known materia medicas. And if you read it, you'll realize why it is so special. By the way, towards the end of this book, there is a very nice small repertory. I'm going to show it to you a little bit. It reminds me a lot of Boger's synoptic key, but it's different. You can see here. I don't know if you can see repertory. And then they have this very small rubrics and remedies in the end. It's a small repertory, but and this materia medica, describes very beautifully. For example, in mesarium, Guernsey writes, typically in mesarium, you will see collection of water in the mouth. He calls it as mouth waters. All, every mesarium patient will have collection of water, he says. It's quite fascinating the way they think about the way he describes materia medica. Croton tick, normally a remedy for diarrhea. Guernsey write first line, in any skin disease which itches very much, but patient can't bear to scratch it hard as it hurts. And slightest scratch will not work. You have to just rub it like this. Only then it's okay. This is croton tick. You never think about croton tick like this. So this is my God, an absolutely fascinating materia medica. I don't believe that we don't read these materia medicas so often. But we need people to talk about this materia medica, to talk about classical homeopathy, and that's my attempt. And that's why I'm going to invite you to our new course on rediscovering repertory and discussion about classical repertory, materia medica, and newer ideas also. And that's where I want to invite you for this course that starts in June end, online certificate course, 30 hours with the best homeopaths in the world. And you can join it the way you want. You can even watch the recordings for 2 years. So be a part of this fascinating journey. I invite you to be a part of our group. Thank you.